Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to turn on BitLocker on Windows to encrypt your drives and protect your data. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about what BitLocker is. BitLocker is a built-in encryption feature in Windows that helps protect your data by encrypting entire drives. It's available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. If you're using Windows Home, you might not have access to BitLocker, but some devices support a similar feature called device encryption. To use BitLocker, your device needs to meet a few requirements. Your PC must have a TPM, Trusted Platform Module chip, which is a security feature found in most modern computers. You need to be running Windows Pro, Enterprise, or Education editions. Make sure you have administrative privileges on your account. Now, let's enable BitLocker. I'll show you how to do this using the control panel. Open the search bar, type Control Panel, and open it. In the control panel, click on System and Security. Under System and Security, click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Here, you'll see a list of drives. Find the drive you want to encrypt, such as your D drive, and click Turn on BitLocker next to it. Once you click Turn on BitLocker, follow these steps. Choose how you want to unlock the drive. You can use a password or a smart card if you have one. Save your recovery key. This is crucial in case you forget your password. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a file, or print it. Once the encryption is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. From now on, your drive will be protected by BitLocker, and you'll need to enter your password or use your smart card to unlock it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled BitLocker on your Windows device. Remember to keep your recovery key in a safe place, as it's your backup if you ever lose access to your password. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.